Today's game is a balance challenge. You're going to use just a hair pick that you have around the home and then any sort of a marble or a small ball. This is from one of our board games. And the object is simple. You're just going to try and pick up a ball and then get it to balance on the back side.
I did it!
Just like that.
Yay!
He made it look so easy. In reality, it's really hard. That's amazing. We've never gotten it that fast. Good job. So that's how you play. The first person to be able to pick one up and put it to the back is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
To officially play, even though you kind of already won. On your mark. Get set. Go. And we just use a towel to try and help make sure that they don't roll off everywhere. You can start with as many as you want, as long as you get one in the end that will stay. Ooh, he's going with a slow challenge, and you've got to get it to stay at the end for 3 seconds. I like that approach. Oh, I can do it even slow. Slow and steady may win the race for you, huh? Ooh, I wonder if I can get it back.
1, 2, 3.
You totally got it. Good job. He is our big winner. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.